Hi there. So, just two things I found after looking at our client projects that something's causing a lot of workload unit usage. One is a dropdown, actually. So the dropdown was showing like thousands of records actually. So if I refresh the page, every time the page refreshes, it would be a bit slow to load that drop down, but then it would load all of these records to select with. And it's definitely eating up capacity, workload capacity. I keep mixing the words, workload units. So the idea I have at the moment is perhaps switching to a search box and changing what the search box looks like because it's not doing as much is it? So if I was like order ID, this is just test data, but then instead of the drop-down approach, we could potentially just have a search box. So the search box loading, but it's not causing any data fetch at the moment. But just loading that drop-down, even if you don't use it, it's causing heavy workload unit usage. Whereas here I could just start using some kind of like 699. So it's going to do a search. We've got the order ID and done. The other thing which has definitely spiked workload unit usage in some apps is doing something every 60 seconds. So we had this pattern in a few places. We're just logging or doing some analytics every 10 seconds, every 60 seconds, just set up an analytics table. Definitely a lot of workload unit usage is showing up in this pattern. I don't really have an alternate in mind at the moment, apart from just uh, clicking disable workflow, which is chopping a feature. Maybe there's another way of tracking which is slightly more efficient. I don't know yet. Open to suggestions, so feel free to comment below if you have a better, more optimal suggestion on how to track this. I mean, I know there's Google Analytics and Clarity and those things, but within app showing the last active timestamp for a user, that was a feature, or just how much time. I think we had a quiz app where we were like tracking how much time it took to answer a question. So every 10 seconds we'd hit the database and it's a very heavy usage. So I'm not sure how to optimize these away or reduce the kind of like just optimize them overall. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments below any ideas you guys have. Thanks. Bye.